A team of seasoned outdoor experts navigates a windswept coastal Alpine during a sudden blizzard to teach rapid shelter and layering. They assemble a windproof snow cave using avalanche-safe techniques, pack there, and maintain a tiny inner chamber to trap heat. Techniques cover emergency water from melted snow, improvised filtration, and signs of frostbite prevention with careful body movement. In the storm, we see rope-assisted ascents, micro-navigation with sun cues and stars, and staying calm under pressure. The episode closes with field-tested tips for durable gear, water discipline, and mental resilience for extreme adventurers.